This gantry milling machine is perfect for machining aluminum and composite materials. The machine sits on a flat foundation and can be set up on any solid industrial floor. The machine table is firmly anchored to the FZ33 compact so the workpiece does not have to be moved. The milling process is highly precise, regardless of weight and size of the workpiece. The FZ33C facilitate a consistent, efficient milling process. Thanks to its combination of high stability and rigidity, the machine meets all the requirements of model making, tool and mold industry, including the demands of the aerospace, automotive and alternative energy industries.